Good morning, guys. Today we're going to look into the problem Le3536, the maximum product of two digits. In this problem, we need to find the maximum products of any two digits in number n. Look into the first two test cases. The digits count is 2, so we can easily find the maximum products of the two digits. But look into the third test cases. The digits counts are 3. So in normal method we need to multiply each number with each. So from 1 we need to multiply from 1 to 2, 1 to 4, then 2 to 4. Then only we can find the maximum products of any two digits. But we're not going to do this today. We're going to find the maximum value and second maximum value. Then we can easily find the maximum products of any two digits. For this, the input value 1 to 4, I am going to write the while loop like this. 1 to 4 is going to run until it is not equal to 0. Okay, I need to take the modulus of 1 to 4 with 10. Then I got the value 4. I am going to store it in the value temp. So I think this is an easy problem, so we're going to write it in the direct console. Okay, I'm going to take the input value max as a integer minimum value. I'm going to take the second max value as same as max value. I'm going to write the while loop, the n not equal to 0, take the temp value as well, n modulus of 10. I need to check the temp value is greater than max or not. So if is equal to, if condition, max smaller than temp. If it is true, I am going to write max is equal to 4. So I am going to write it in the terminal. Max is smaller than temp, max is equal to temp. We got the max value, but we don't got the second max value, right? So we need to take the second max value as previous max value. So second max value is equal to max value. We need to round off the n value, right? So we need to n divided by 10. So now the n value is equal to 12. We got the 4 value, right? After that the two numbers are smaller than the 4. So the first if condition was stop, because the max value is greater than 2 and 1. So we cannot find the second max value, right? So we're going to write the another condition, then only we can find the second max value. The second max value should be smaller than max, right? So else if is equal to second max value smaller than temp, but temp value smaller than max value. So second max is equal to temp. But look into the second test case, the max value and second max value both are same. So we need to put max greater than or equal to temp. Then only we got the second max value as 2. Then if you return second max into max, we got the final output. This is the most efficient answer.